Hi friends, I am Professor Vishnu Gore. Today we discuss about classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Right. Classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Right. We will discuss one by one. Firstly, we will discuss about classification of aldehydes. Classification of aldehydes. Right. Aldehydes are classified into two types: A. Aliphatic aldehydes, aliphatic aldehydes, and B. Aromatic aldehydes, aromatic aldehydes. Right. Firstly, we'll discuss about aliphatic aldehydes. A. Aliphatic aldehydes, aliphatic aldehydes. Right. Definition of aldehydes and general formula we have already seen in previous lecture. Now we'll discuss about aliphatic aldehyde. Definition of aliphatic aldehydes. See here, the compound in which CHO group, and we know the name of this group is formyl group, in bracket formyl group. CHO group, that is formyl group, is attached directly to sp3 carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon, that is saturated carbon, right. The compound in which CHO group, that is formyl group, is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, that is saturated carbon, are called as aliphatic aldehydes, are called as aliphatic aldehydes. Right. Friends, this is the definition. Now see the example. And we know representation of aldehyde is like this: RC double bond OH. Right. Example: CH3 C double bond OH. This is the example of aliphatic aldehydes. Why this example is of aliphatic aldehydes? Because this is formyl group which is attached to CH3, and the hybridization of this carbon atom is sp3. We know the hybridization of this carbon atom, that is sp3, and formyl group is attached to this carbon atom. That's why this is aliphatic aldehyde. Name of this compound is acetaldehyde. Similarly, another example: CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. This is also aldehyde. This is also aliphatic aldehyde because formyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. We know every singly bonded carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, every doubly bonded carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, and every triply bonded carbon atom is sp hybridized. In this example, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized and formyl group is attached to this carbon atom. That's why this is example of aliphatic aldehyde. Name of this compound is propionaldehyde. Lot of examples are there. Right. One exception is there, that is formaldehyde. See the exception: formaldehyde. Right. Why formaldehyde? Because in formaldehyde, CHO group, that is formyl group, is not attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. It is attached to hydrogen, right? This is formyl group and this is hydrogen. This is the exception, that is formaldehyde, right? Name of this compound is formaldehyde, right? This is the definition and examples of aliphatic aldehydes. Next and very important part, next type, that is, take screenshot.